Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my trades which I have done today on this video. Again, if you are new, kindly subscribe. So based on the 45-degree and highest to lowest recovery, so there was a good stock, but I'm not doing some stocks by intraday, but I was taking the positional trade by yesterday on Ambuja Cement and India Cement. uh, which was worked well, and today's trade, that was Ambuja and India, was the topest recover from the intraday low. And also we seen the 45-degree in some point of the time we can see the stock, but after that it was not available. And this Ambuja Cement that was giving you such a great movement, by taken the position is taken not by today, by I was taken by yesterday around the closing, that 520 call option which I have taken in Ambuja Cement. So that was the trade which I'm going to show you. These are the trades which I have done the loss. I booked a loss on that. So the first one is Ambuja Cement. India Cement also not taken today. It was taken by yesterday, and I holded the positional trade. And what happened in India Cement? There is a big issue, but it wasn't banned today. The stock was in ban period, so we cannot able to. The new people cannot able to trade. It wasn't banned. So only the people who are already holding the position, you can exit from the trade. Unfortunately, I was struggled with that stock, and yesterday I holded, and today it was in ban. And there is a huge gap between the buyer asking 11 rupees, seller putting a 15 rupees, and till end of the day it was not traded well. Around the closing hours only it is moving. I'm holding a two lots on that. So finally I bought around 17.4, and I exited around 19 where I booked around 8,000, and finally it went up to 22, I think 21, but it was illiquid because of no fresh buyers and fresh sellers not there on that. Only the people who are holding the position, they will only exit, right? If you are short you can exit, or if you are long you can exit. That kind of trade which is happening on that stock, that is why exited with small profit. And another one, it's about the cement stocks are performing well and good recently. So this is what India Cement. And the second one, the Ambuja Cement. So this one I took around yesterday around 33.5, and today exited by 45, and after exit it went up to 62. So there is a big move on Ambuja Cement and India Cement. India Cement, due to that movement, there is a ban period, it was not moved good, the option premiums. But Ambuja Cement after exit it was keep on going higher and higher, and it maximum level. And Ambuja Cement, all the cement sectors are performing well recently. um, that is my trade which I have done in Ambuja Cement. And today I have booked some losses on the two stocks. That was, one is Tata Power, where I took intraday. This was taken today and I was exited by the same day itself. And I booked a loss around on Tata Power somewhere around 10,900. And NTPC we have share almost 11,000 we have exited. After buy around 4.75, it moves around 5.2 only. So small movement, I am not booked out, but after that it started moving down and down, and finally I exited around 2.8. That is my trade which I have ending with the loss. And the second one which I took, that Tata Power around 12 rupees, and it moves just 12.6 something. It's not moved big, and then it started falling down. So after it was a zigzag move like that today, if you are watching the Tata Power. So but finally I'm not interested to hold it out. It's just simply exited with a loss. Tata Power. Let me go for Tata Power. It's about intraday trades, and let's look at this Tata Power. Today it opened here and it went higher, and it was a zigzag and finally lower. And also we are nearing to the expiry, and the premium labs also very fast. So that's the main reason. And instead of taking new positional trades, it's not be good at this point. And the second stock which I have lost is around NTPC. So NTPC, that is also initially it shows a small profit, and then it coming down and closed with the lower. Not a big move, but it was time decay as well as the opposite movement on the stock that was giving you loss. And daily chart also not looks good, but I thought this is what thing which it opened. Here is a spinning over the top, and such a thing is happening on NTPC. And Ambuja Cement and other Ambuja Cement, Ambuja Cement, that was huge. Yesterday it's like a down day, but today it was in huge and it is an all-time high. There is a chances the market going to coming and around the price of 545 if it does not sustain at that level. So would be the best opportunity. And I'm taking some position. I'm holding Ambuja Cement some position in a put side, not on a call side at this level. And maybe the possible the Ambuja Cement also is going to be banned. It is already reached maximum MWPL market wide position limit. There is a chances it can also be banned by tomorrow. Let's see what will happen. And this was working and about this Godrej properties, very few stocks, India Cement, MFSL, M&M. So these are MFSL has works good today and it was keep on going higher by 45 degree. Even Adani Ent also works good. And on a downside, I was not checking it out. So what are the stocks which is working down? I'm not checked out, but it was working. So if you are focusing to stay focused about the scanner, it is having ability to generate you the more profit. And finally, the last which we have occurred around 20k, and that holding position Ambuja Cement recovered to 20k, and India Cements around 8k. So total mixed one today, and also holding some positional. So some positional are in loss, something in nearby cost. Many position it's losing its premium. So I have to close that premium by exiting that position nearby. So these are my position trades which I have taken today and that I have exited from the trade. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much.